A collection of data or information is called a file. There are different types of files like sound files, movie files, document files, program files, etc. Each file is given a name that is useful to identify the file. This is known as its file name.
Okay. And what's a folder?
Folder is like a container and is used to store a group of files with data on the same or on different subjects.
What is that long bar at the bottom of the screen, Toggle?
This is the taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen. It contains buttons with icons which represent the programs that are open on the system. You can change the position of the taskbar to any of the four sides on the screen.
Toggle, what is that round Windows icon on the left side of the taskbar?
Oh, that's the Start button, remember? Clicking on the Start button displays a menu called the Start menu. It has two panes, the left pane and the right pane. The left pane of the Start menu shows a short list of programs you have recently opened. Some of the programs have an arrowhead symbol beside them. Moving the mouse pointer to these programs displays the recently opened files in that program. Clicking All Programs displays the complete list of programs in alphabetical order as files or folders. Click any folder, say Accessories, and you will see another list of programs. To go back to the list you saw when you first opened the Start menu, click Back.
Okay, look, there is a list of items on the right pane also. What are they?
The right pane of the Start menu provides access to commonly used folders, files, your computer settings, and features. It also has the button to turn off your computer, which we used.
Oh, yes, now I remember.
Let's examine this button a little more closely. Click the arrow next to Shutdown.
Oh, a menu has opened and there are so many options here. What are they used for?
Let's take them up one by one. Switch User option allows another user to log in without closing the programs you were working on, while Log Off option ends your session but leaves the computer on for another person to use.
Okay. And the lock option?
The lock option locks your computer.
Okay, so that nobody else can see or tamper with my work when I am away.
Exactly, Goggle. Then we have Restart, which closes all the open programs, shuts down Windows, and starts Windows again. This is followed by Sleep. In this mode, the computer saves your work in memory and puts your computer in a low power state, but does not turn it off. When you press the computer's power button again, it quickly resumes working.
That's useful. And what does Hibernate do, Toggle?
Hibernate saves your work and turns off the computer. When you turn on the computer, Windows will restore whatever you were working on last.
Interesting options, Toggle.
Sure are. One last thing. Do you know what the process of loading the operating system into memory is called?
Is there a term for it?
Indeed there is. This process is called booting.
Booting?
Yes, Goggle. Starting a computer is also called booting the computer. And when you restart or reboot a computer, there are two ways in which you can do it. First, when you switch off the computer and you switch it on again. This is called cold booting. You are said to have carried out a cold boot.
And the second?
The second type of booting happens when you use the restart option to start your computer again. This is called warm booting. You are said to have carried out a warm boot because the computer is not switched off in this process.
Next time I start my computer, I would say, I am booting my computer.
Right. Happy booting.
Thanks, Toggle. The operating system of a computer makes life so much easier for us.
Yes, that's right, Goggle. Bye for now. My friends are waiting for me. See you tomorrow.
See you.